Why assume I'm bad, unkind? Your differences shine, so does mine. We're all leaves from the same tree, a tree with leaves of many. Our cultures and experiences created powerful roots. My color, my shape, my age, my breed. We're all different leaves on the same tree.
From the Sea Rider Productions news facilities on the leeward coast of Oahu, this is Sea Rider News.
Hey STN, today is Thursday, March 14, 2024, and on this special edition of Sea Rider News, we'll be taking a look at two local eateries working to promote inclusivity and broaden customers' palates. We'll learn about an issue affecting indigenous communities around America and see how people do their part to encourage diversity. All this and more coming up. Good morning, STN. My name is Denise Cabrero.
And I'm Mariah Dinong.
And we're here at the lively Long Beach Convention Center for STN 2024.
Long Beach is home to almost 500,000 people from all walks of life.
The city welcomes everyone, no matter what race, gender, age, and sexuality. Let's head to Jewel to see how a local cafe welcomes the LGBTQ+ community.
Excuse me? Yeah, of course.
For many, a cup of coffee provides comfort. In Long Beach, California, local cafe Rose Park Roasters serves up their lattes with a side of comfort and inclusivity.
Being gay as a barista is really important because a lot of people don't get to see gay people or have enough gay friends.
About half of the people that work here are part of the LGBT community. For these workers, their goal is to create a safe space for them and their customers.
As a queer person, I do feel very safe and seen because the politics of this coffee shop doesn't make me feel like I'm hiding my identity.
However, prior to finding a safe space, they struggled against discrimination.
Before I worked here, some of the customers were a little homophobic. I could tell they treated me differently. But I would say here, I don't really feel discriminated.
According to the Human Rights Foundation campaign, Long Beach, California was named one of the best LGBTQ cities for the 10th consecutive year in a row. The city received a perfect score in multiple gender-affirming aspects.
Grew up in a community and I just feel really connected. This place makes you feel inclusive. It's really close to the heart.
We're very lucky to live in Long Beach and have so many different neighborhoods. We're really good at bringing and unifying all of Long Beach.
These efforts have been recognized by customers who have grown to see the cafe as a home.
We want to provide a space for everyone of all demographics, kind of give people a home away from home. I have a vanilla latte.
Joelle Angelica Ivasco, Sea Rider News. Now back to you, Mariah.
Thanks, Joelle. It's great to see that Long Beach has a great community for LGBTQ.
Definitely. It's also nice to see that many young people enjoy the place and its coffee as well.
Speaking of the youth, it's great to stay educated on the different cultures and traditions. Let's head to Jera with our live interview.
Thank you, Mariah. Today I'm here with Mr. Bokar from Palos Verdes High School. Mr. Bokar, how do you celebrate diversity in the classroom?
Well, I think diversity is a really important thing because it's actually understanding students' cultural backgrounds, and I'd find a way to incorporate in the curriculum into the classroom. And
well, what do you hope your students will take away from those experiences?
Well, again, I hope they actually put it into the art they create. Just understanding where we come from is always a very important thing, and I've always respected that as an educator. So, yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Bokar.
Thank you.
Now back to you, Mariah.
Thanks, Jera. It's nice to see how films can diversify our perspectives.
For sure, but aside from films, there's other ways to reach a hungry audience.
Definitely. Let's see how a local restaurant is fusing flavors for their audience with Tristan.
With a fusion of Hawaiian and Asian cuisine, Shoots blends it all together.
We're not your traditional Hawaiian like local spot.
Hawaiian food, it's something way different than I never tried before, and I really fell in love with this amazing Hawaiian food. It's the best food you can try anywhere else.
In terms of Hawaiian food being in like the Asian culinary scene, it's very underrated. You get a lot of Chinese food, a lot of Korean food, a lot of Japanese food, Viet food, but Hawaiian is sometimes forgotten.
Shoots exposes more people to Hawaiian food and brings more representation for Asian Americans and Pacific Islanders.
Specifically here in Long Beach, I don't see a lot of Asian representation. A lot of the clientele here are mainly, African American or Hispanic. But I think it's important to have diverse foods in areas like this. But what I saw Shoots did was take Hawaiian food to another level that I've never seen anyone do.
Despite cooking up Hawaiian food, the workers here at Shoots aren't native Hawaiian, but their love for the cuisine unites them together.
When it gets busy, you're going through war together. And doing that, you create a bond.
First time working for Hawaiian food. Normally I work in the Mexican places, but this place, Hawaiian food is so amazing, it's so good. The environment and Shoots, it's something different that I never try in my life.
Shoots is a great example of finding unity in diversity, even in cultures outside of your own.
I definitely have a better appreciation for foods that are not in my ethnicity. I learned to appreciate all types of foods.
Tristan Cody Guerrero, Sea Rider News.
Thanks, Tristan. The food looks amazing, but unfortunately, it's making me a bit homesick for Hawaii.
Same here, and the cold temperatures don't help. I miss our sunny Waianae coast.
Me too. Hopefully it warms up soon. Hey Shirley, what's the weather looking like?
Hey STN, I'm Shirley Wells with your weather forecast. Over the next few days, we'll be expecting highs of 70 and lows of 51. We've got sunny weather with winds up to 12 miles per hour, giving us a cool breeze into the weekend. So if you're not from here like me, you might want to bring a jacket. Tomorrow's surf is 4 to 6 feet in Long Beach.
Thanks, Shirley. It's hard to get used to the weather here. I wonder how those who moved away from Hawaii feel.
But they don't move away by choice. Let's hear from Natasha about an issue affecting indigenous people around America.
A study done by Hawaii.gov shows that an average of 12 Hawaiians per day left Hawaii back in 2022 to 2023. Being known as a melting pot of cultures, Hawaii is labeled as the most diverse state in the country. However, Native Hawaiians are now facing an issue of being pushed out of their own land.
A study done in 2021 by the American Community Survey shows that the number of Native Hawaiians living off-island outweighs the number of those currently living in Hawaii by 60,000. This number proves that Hawaiians are more willing to take a chance in a new state rather than stay in Hawaii. Hawaiians say they leave due to lack of career opportunities, outrageous housing prices, and inflated cost of living.
The issue is that Native people are not being prioritized. Our economy caters more towards tourists and those coming from out of states than actual residents. However, this is not unique to Native Hawaiians. Native people everywhere are not being prioritized, sometimes leading to houselessness and even incarceration. Diversity is important. What's the point in bringing everyone to the melting pot if you can't feed everyone? Indigenous people everywhere deserve better. With election season coming up, think about which candidates are really fighting for Native people and let that influence your decision, so that we can make this world better for everyone.
Thanks, Natasha. It's sad to hear that so many Hawaiians are leaving their homes.
It really is. I hope one day they're able to return home to Hawaii.
I agree. Now let's head to Jade with her quick question for the people of Long Beach.
Thanks, Mariah. Today, I went to the Long Beach Convention Center asking you guys how you embrace different cultures.
I not only taking the cultures that I am, but all throughout Hawaii.
My family, on holidays like Christmas, we always pick a food to eat, like Mexican food, and then every holiday we switch to a different type of food.
I embrace other people's cultures by eating their food.
Learning about the culture, maybe learning a new language.
I think you embrace other people's cultures by really trying to get to know that culture.
More about other people's cultures, and I acknowledge their differences.
Thanks, Jade. There are so many people learning about other cultures in different ways.
Yeah, I think I'll try out a different culture's cuisine while we're here. Me too. Let's try as many as we can.
Sounds like a great idea. From food, movies, and coffee, diversity can be found in Long Beach everywhere. And I encourage all of you to find that diversity in your home states as well. Mahalo for watching and keep exploring, STN. Mahalo!
What is aloha? To us, aloha means love, respect, peace, and community. Let us share our aloha with you. Aloha Pins.